Yo, hello, good morning, dear community. It took a long time, but this time I will go for another tutorial. Hello, welcome back to the moon. And my name is Ron from Berlin, Germany. And yeah, it's early in the morning. It's around about 6:30. It's gray weather. It's some kind of rainy, but we have springtime. And yeah, I don't want to talk about politics today. Don't talk about this laughable pandemic. What a bad script. We talk about the moon and we talk about another truth. Yeah, guys, I think that most of you will remember this video. I made a little mistake. I named the wrong crater here. This is not Kepler crater, this is Wiener crater. It's on the far side, not on the near side. Yeah, before we start, let me show you what established science says about the far side. So like I said before, we have the Wiener crater. Sorry. Well, watching for moon images on Wikipedia is like a punch in your face. It's like a big fucking shame, especially when we look for real images. The most of the images are completely manipulated, and I can prove that. And other people know this, especially the images with that are named by LAROC. These images are absolutely bullshit. This is Marie Moscovians, and I will show it uncensored in a few minutes. It's here in this area, and my friends, this is a real sea with islands, with bridges, with infrastructure. Yeah. Looks a bit like a holiday resort, but before we start, let me look to the timestamps. The first one, just we let the camera fly. Yeah. So guys, I hope you are fine. I hope you can stand this crazy, weird agenda out there. But like I said before, I don't want to talk about politics. Yeah, so this is the far side of the moon. And what we already can see, we let the camera fly. The ground, the landscape is not plain. It's full of colors, of structures, infrastructure, and a lot of sources that create some kind of energy. And as you know from the other moon videos, the structures on the moon are gigantic. Not from this world. It's a completely different world. And I don't know who is there, but someone is there. So guys, let's go for the first timestamp. It's marked on 3:55, and sorry for I'm a bit excited today because I didn't produce a video for a long time. Because we have so much trouble in Germany, in Berlin. Yeah, you know why. So this is the first timestamp. What we already can see is we have three amazing anomalies, or four, and these anomalies are standing tall. You can see it here. The black line is the shadow line, and it's pretty simple to identify. Look at this. This is an upper section, and this is the ground level with the shadow line. You can see it pretty well here. This is the same shape like here. And this shows the reflection of the shadow, the projection of the shadow. Look at the perfect symmetrical shapes here. Same here. It's a perfect curve. And this inner structure might be the source of energy. Not sure at all. But it's just amazing to see the perfect symmetrical shape. So simple. The same story here. This is the upper section. This is the ground level with the shadow line. You see that? Just make comparison with the shadow line, with the shadow shape and the main structure. You see that? It's perfect shaped. And watching or identify structures with a shadow line from the lower orbit, that means that these structures are gigantic, guys. So try the same with something that was built on Earth. No way, guys. And the same here. Whatever it is, these so-called ring structures or ring cities, sorry, are tall, are big, and are standing tall. And now we're going to make a comparison with this one and this one. So what we can see that the inner structure is, it looks similar to this one. So it really looks like that these anomalies are made by intelligent beings. I mean, look at this. We have a center, same here, here, here. We have symmetrical shapes, and we have intelligent systematics in there. Look at this. Who the hell makes, how to say that, rectangular shapes? So, for the people who are watching these tutorials for the first or second time, let me tell you, keep patient. Don't try to see something with I have to see something. It's a question of keep calm and try it on different days, because it really takes a lot of time to get in touch with the structures. That's what I always say, because all we are looking at is not from this world. So we need to get in touch with it to get a clue for what we are looking at. So the infrastructure, the systematics of, for example, transportation system or connections. The whole ground of the moon, the whole landscape is a huge connection, a huge network of whatever. It looks completely infrastructured, some kind of overcrowded and whatever. So we go on to the next timestamp, 4:35. Same story here, guys. Look at the donut-shaped objects. It's just amazing. I mean, we have the shadow line, we have, look at the perfect shape here, the same here. These structures are symmetrical shaped objects. And this is what Bruce or other hobby astronomers already said. They can see that they are some kind of hexagon shaped objects. And when we look at these structures here, we can see 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 octagon or hexagon shaped objects, guys. And this is a proof. Yeah. What did I say? 4:35, the next timestamp we go for. Oh yeah, now we're coming to the main attraction. We already come to the main attraction. This area is just, whatever it is, guys, it's mind-blowing. It's like a punch in our faces, in a good way. And here we are. This is Wiener crater. And this area here, the whole area. Okay, make it rest. The whole area, so to me it looks like belongs to one area. So I have no idea what it is, but look at the connections and shapes. I don't know where to start now. It's on you to look in this amazing anomaly. But what we can see are angles. We can see amazing structures in this area here. Yeah, it's just mind-blowing. I will show you where we are. So this is the far side of the moon. And here we have a description, and we are going to explore this area 30. Yeah, let's go in there for a bit. So this is Moscoviense Sea, like you can see here. Yeah, we have, I'm not sure at all if we are here in this area. Yeah, this is the area we are already looking at, 33. Campbell crater, Wiener crater, and so on. Yeah, it's just amazing. And the reason for, I mean, look at what Nather is painting. They really try to hide the structures. And the funny thing is that this piece here is not a crater, it's a construction in the air. So I will show you later, but I'm excited, already excited, because the manipulation is so clear to see. It's amazing. This is another interesting image because it shows the real topographic of this area. And when we talk about Moscoviense Sea, we have a real sea here, and when we have water, we have a green surrounding, and this is here. Guys, the moon is pure of life and vegetation. Yeah, but we will talk about later. Go back to this attraction. Let the camera fly till 502. Yeah, good one. And remember, the black lines are shadow lines, so it's a good orientation for get in touch with the size of the structures. The black shadow line here, and that tells us, or at least me, that these walls are hundreds or some kilometers tall, and I'm not kidding. Look at here, we have perfect symmetrical shapes. Yeah, and a lot of these structures pieces are one piece of structure, and this is just incredible. Yeah, here we have some kind of tower. It looks like, you see that? Yeah. Okay, let's go to the next timestamp, 6:16. Boom, okay, 6:16. It's a very good shot because it's very clear. we can see all the structures and shapes down there, and especially the colors. The colors are just, yeah, beautiful, and gives us the possibility to identify the structures. Yeah. On my timestamp, there's a I wrote down tower, a small dot that looks like a tower. I don't know. Ah, okay, a lot of things. There's so much to see. But look at the whole level, the whole area. Yeah, I can't find a tower now because if I wrote down the timestamps, it's weeks ago. Ah, okay. I just realized that there are a lot of towers. 1, 2. I could take the Windows magnifier, but it really destroys the details. So I hope you get a magnifier like this one, and yeah, just focus the structures on your screen and explore by yourself, because this is the best way to get in touch with the anomalies. I know that there are a lot of people who are already doing this. Yeah, just do it. It's a lot of fun. I promise. Yeah, guys. Let's go to the next timestamp, 6:46. Okay, it's the same area. 9:34. 9:34. Ah, yeah, nice. Okay, now we come to Moscoviense Sea. This is my favorite area because it shows greenery, it shows water, and a lot of infrastructure. The camera will zoom out soon. Okay. 34 and action. Okay, here we are. So like I said or showed before, so this is the colored landscape of the Farside, and we are looking down to Mare Moscoviense. This is the interpretation of NASA or Wikipedia. 276 kilometer in diameter, so from this point to this one. So guys, look at the area that is surrounding the sea. You will realize that there is heavy infrastructure. I will show you. Okay, I don't know where to start. Look at here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have these ring structures everywhere with the shadow lines I said before. We have, okay, let's take the Windows zoom. Here, look in there and look for structures. And especially here, look at this here. This is Bay Area, coast area. You know what I mean? And we have perfect shapes and lines. We have greenery here, and we have big, huge islands. We have bridges here. This is a bridge, guys. And we have this massive structure. And when we make comparison, to another, they show an impact crater. This is not an impact crater. Okay, take the magnifier again. So here we are. So this structure is standing tall, whatever it is. I don't know. To me, it looks like that they terraformed the whole landscape. So at least we can see greenery, connections, bridges like here, yeah, in any direction. Ring structures. And guys, look at this. It's just amazing. Here starts one bridge and it goes over and leads into the center. Yeah. And now we follow the coastline. Yeah, here. Yeah, this is very interesting, this area here. One moment, please. This one. Because this looks like a side sea. So this is the main sea, and here we have a small side sea. And so the water goes in there, and there we have another bay area and bay cities. This is what we know from Earth, but in another dimension. Yeah. Please take your magnifier and get in touch with this area. There's no doubt that this area is completely infrastructured and, yeah, settled. I know it's amazing, and that's the reason why I'm going for another coffee. Excuse me 1 minute. Yeah, here I am back again. Yeah, like I said before, take a magnifier and get in touch with the structures. I mean, I can tell you so many things about the landscapes, but I want you to explore by yourself, because, yeah, like this one. Look at this. We have a perfect shaped structures with a higher section, lower section, with connections to another area, and this is yeah, this is what the moon looks like. We have another section. There's a line that goes in there. It's just amazing. Oh, look at this structure here. We have something that looks like a long road, whatever. And here we have a perfect angle. Look at this. It's incredible. And it goes in this direction and goes down. And it's all in the image. And guys, this is the reason for same here. Look at this. We have huge, massive structures. One piece of structures, gigantic. And here, my friends, we probably can see the water line, because this structure here goes in the depth, in the deep, and the structure is fading. This is the effection when the water line starts and some kind of structure is under the water line. Same story here. Just follow the coastline here, and you see perfect angles, perfect shapes. Look at this, this is perfect, perfect. And make comparison to what humans create on Earth. When you have a Bay Area with harbors, whatever, it looks similar. Yeah, follow the Bay Area, the coastline, and you will see what I'm talking about. This, my friends, is Moscow-Vienna Sea, and it really looks like a real water-filled bassin, ocean, sea. Yeah. So now we let the camera fly so I can get some coffee. And we fly till 11:20. Yeah, guys, when you got some ideas for other images that are worth for getting explored, please tell me in the comment section or write an email. Yeah, I need some more inspiration because the image library is there are so many images. Yeah, guys, now we are closer with the optical zoom. And this is what I showed you before with the digital Windows magnifier. This is the water area. It's a side sea. We have the coastline. We have small objects. We have an island here. You see that? We have transportation connections, whatever. We have perfect symmetrical shapes. Look at this. And you can see it everywhere. Same here. Look at this, guys. This is not made by nature. And the lighter shining areas, objects, are off the ground, and the lower section are filled with greenery. Like here, look at this. This is amazing, and this shows that shows that we're talking about probably a very how to say that so the living conditions are good. So because we're talking about nature, water, and an active civilization. And this is the reason for why NASA, shame on NASA. Look at this piece of shit. And look at this. It's a shame, isn't it? It is. I know it's hard. I know it's hard to realize that millions of people are illusioned or are manipulated by NASA and established science. I mean, imagine that the moon is a dwarf planet close to our eyes. Incredible. What did I say? We fly till 11:20. Here we are again. This is the bridge. Amazing. Well, to me it looks like a very this must be a wonderful, beautiful area, because we have so many greenery. We have water, probably. We have, look at this, look at the coastline, the Bay Area. I mean, it's incredible. We have a lot of structures. There was someone who said it looks like where the rich people are living. Oh, I hope not, but it looks very how to describe it? Okay, let's go to the next timestamp. I could rest there for hours. I just realized I don't have timestamps anymore. So let's look what we are finding. Yeah, here we have this incredible. We have seen this anomaly on different areas, mostly with the same shape. So to me, it looks like that these anomalies have a main function in creating, producing energy and whatever. We don't know. It might be some kind of power plant. Who knows? And here we have these small objects again with the shadow line, the black shadow line here. It's perfect shaped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see that? Yeah, and it really looks overcrowded. I mean, every inch is filled with informations of structures, whatever. It's incredible. Yeah. This looks like an eye, I know. But I like this one. It's so many structures in there. Look at this. And here we have another area with probably seas, water, greenery, bridges. Wow. Well, sometimes it really looks like a paradise. Who knows? Yeah, guys, I think I should come to an end. I mean, I'm not the best one who make quit, but 33 minutes. Yeah, by the way, I think I will go for a new moon video over weekend. Because I feel in the mood to being creative, but sometimes I think sometimes it takes longer to get a motivation, because there's so much trouble here in Germany, and goes straight in your head, you know. But like I said, I don't want to talk about politics. Yeah, another perfect shape, an oval. So the Oval Office on the moon. And here we have this wonderful object that looks like an eye. Incredible. Oh. Yeah, this is another huge crater. I don't know the name. We could check it out. I've got this interesting map. Oh, I'm not sure. 44. No, it's not this one. Whatever it is, it's you can see the perfect shapes. Look at this, perfect. And we always have a outer connection that goes mostly over the whole area. We have these strange objects here. I mean, the whole area is full of structures again. And there's probably water in there. We got some greenery on the ground. So the green areas, oh yeah. Yeah, what I wanted to say, the green colors are a good orientation for the ground level. The dark areas here are probably small lakes. And yeah, this is what you should look for the greenery. For shadow lines like here. And of course, the perfect shapes, symmetrical shapes. So the whole ground is full of that. It gives best orientation for intelligent infrastructure and all the connections. So I hope the camera is zooming out now. I mean, this is, for some of you guys, this is too much information, I know. So that's the reason for to explore this or these images on different days. So you get in touch with the structures, you get a clue for it, and yeah, that's the story, guys. I hope you will have a nice weekend, guys. I think I will publish this tutorial during the day. And I think we should take a last view. And well, important to say, the gray or white looking areas here are mostly infrastructure connections. So any kind of material that they use for their constructions. Look at this, guys. This is the real moon. And this is Nada's moon. Ooh! What a waste. What a waste of time. What a bad illusion. Bah! Wah! Close it. Yeah. And this is a very realistic topographic. Yeah, Moscovian Sea. And here we are to the end. At the end, yeah, it's amazing. So 277 kilometers in diameter. So the whole area is round about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, more than 1,000 kilometers in diameter. So from this point to here, and it's a festival of anomalies. Light sources everywhere, all the ring structures everywhere. I mean, look at this, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on and so on. You see that? Yeah. Thanks for being my guest, guys. Yeah, if you got some inspiration for other images, please tell me. That would be very nice. And guys, keep healthy. Is it right? Get on the street, fight for your right, fight for humanity, and we will smash this ugly agenda. Bye bye.